Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologise if you did start watching this video last week. For some reason, it got kicked off. There was something wrong with the edit, so I'm having to do it again. It was just a real quick video for anyone that might be new to the electrical industry or anyone that's installing cables daily, just to show you the free tests I do before I install a cable. And then the reason I do all my tests beforehand is in the past, and it is extremely rare, I have had brand new piece of cable be basically defective. I've done a complete install, went to test it after, found there was a fault, and it was a bloody nightmare. So I always religiously make sure I test brand new cables before I install them. So I've just got this piece out of my shed. It's brand new off the drum, so I don't expect there to be any issues. But the first thing I check on all or any cables is that there's no damage to the outer sheath. And when I say damage, I'm talking nicks, scrapes, any funny marks, anything like that. As you can see with this one, there's nothing wrong with it. Now, the next test I'm going to do is carry out a continuity test. So I'm checking the cables end to end to make sure that there's no breaks within the cable inside, or there's any damage that's been caused, or anything like that. So to do that today, I'm going to use the Mega MFT tester, which I'm going to switch to my ohm setting. I'm then going to test my leads and make sure the tester is working correct. And as you can see, we have continuity. This has also got an audible beep to show you that continuity is there. And it's on 0.27, so just a small resistance. On this tester, I'm going to auto-null the lead. So I'm going to press that button. As you can see, I'll get the little circle up here with the emblem above. And now the leads are zeroed. So to carry out the continuity test end to end, I'm first going to go to my earth. And as you can see, we have continuity there and a small resistance. Next, I'm going to go to my live. Same again, you can see there that we have a small resistance. And next, I'm going to go to my blue. And same again, small resistance. Nothing to worry about there. So I'm happy now that my cable is continuous end to end and there's no breaks in between. So the next test I'm going to carry out is an insulation resistance test. So on here, where it says mega ohms, I'm going to switch it to 500 volts to test this cable. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure the tester's working. So I put my leads together to short them out. Press my button. And as you can see, I get no reading. Separate them leads, press the button again. And now I'm getting a reading greater than a meter. So it's greater than 999 mega ohms. So to test the cable, I'm going to start off with my live to my earth. We have greater than 999 mega ohms. Some testers, depending on what you got, it might say greater than 299. But if you're going off the regs book, where it's a minimum insulation resistance of 1 mega ohm or anything under 2 mega ohm require investigation, you're going to be absolutely fine with this piece. Next, I'm going to go to my brown and blue. That's good. And lastly, between my blue and my earth. All good. So I'm happy that the cable's in good condition, a good continuity with low resistance, and my insulation resistance was greater than a meter, was greater than 999 mega ohms. I would now install this piece of cable. Guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for the confusion on the video last week. Hopefully this has been some use for you. If it has, please give us a like, hit subscribe. See you on the next one.